Hello, and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'm going to show you how to access and view the digital speedometer in your Kia Sportage. It's a handy feature that can help you keep an eye on your speed while driving. Let's dive right in. First, hop into the driver's seat and make sure your vehicle is on. Most Kia Sportage models come equipped with steering wheel-mounted controls, which are super convenient. Look for this lever on the right side of your steering wheel. This is the lever you'll use to cycle through the different display modes. Move the lever up or down until you see the digital speedometer screen. And there it is. Your digital speedometer is now front and center. You'll see your current speed displayed in a clear and easy-to-read format. And that's how you view the digital speedometer in your Kia Sportage. It's a convenient feature that can help you stay within the speed limit and drive safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more Sportage tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.